Hello guys, have you ever thought that you want to make a top-down game and there you want your character to move wherever you press in the map? So this video is to solve that problem, and you can see that right now I am in the play mode, and if I press my mouse you can see the exact location where I am pressing my character is moving. So today I will show you two versions. One is for PC, one is for mobile. For PC we will use our mouse to define that where our player will go, and for the mobile we will use our touch. Okay, so no further discussion, let's jump into the code directly. Okay, so here first I will explain how the code works, then I will write the same code or similar kind of code for mobile input or the touch input. So here you can see that from player controller I have taken a node which is called convert mouse location to workspace, and this node is actually giving you two options. One is your world location and another one is world direction. So this you need for defining your location will be the start point from where your player is, and the direction is actually where you pressed. So on that node you will just drag your start position to the start node, and for the direction we'll multiply it into any number you want, so that from your camera to ground you can set the line trace. I have used 10,000. You can use any node, and after that you will just add both how a typical line trace works. So you will add your location and your directions multiplied number to the end node. So this is actually how you will trace that where you have pressed, right? Like in the video you have seen that when I was pressing it is giving me exact same position from the debug you can see. So here you will just branch to check that okay you have hit something or hit the ground, and once you hit anything your player will have to move. So how will it move? Just break the hit, and from this location you need to call that simple move to location, and there you need to add this location to the goal, and for the controller you will add this just get controller part. So this is basically the same thing or the code we have just made for our character to move on our mouse press. Now I'm deleting the whole code. Let's make this code for our touch input. So for this you need to take any touch input you want to take, something like touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, any you want. I am taking touch 1. How will we make this, right? So first thing, you need to enable your mouse from the input. So you need to go to project setting, then you need to go to input, and from here you need to select one thing, and that is mobile. Yeah, here you need to add this part, and here you need to just say that allow show touch interface if you want your joysticks also to see in the game. But for me I don't need this, I just need this part, that mouse for touch, and you will see this use mouse for touch. So this node I only want, I only need this, so I have just enabled this. So when you enable you will see like my video earlier I showed that my left mouse is always using for tapping, and that's why I use the code for right mouse. So let's start. So here we will take our player controller, and from here how will we define, because if we just take this is not mouse, right? So here we need to look for input touch state instead of mouse direction or location. So here you need to assign your this button whichever you are using for this touch. I'm using 1, so I have already given 1. From here you need to call another uh, node which will be convert screen location to world space, and just connect these two. So now you will see something similar is we are watching, right? So we already got the location and direction, And now we know, I guess, what to do. So rest of the code will be same. So line trace by channel. And here what we will do is first we will connect the location here. Then we need to multiply it with a value. I'm again taking 10,000. So you can take any you want. There is no limitation. So I will add this to, and this I will add into the end node. So I will again enable for duration so that we can check. And same thing. So from here we will take a branch. Then we will connect this so that we can know that the player should only move once we hit something, not like every time we are pressing, player will just keep going. So that's the thing you need to see. And also break. So we are breaking this so that we can again simple move to location. Then we will add this to goal and get controller. So that's it. Our code should work. If you want, you can also put a checker here, like, I mean, the thing will always check that if I have pressed this touch, I mean, I have tapped or not. So this is for safety, but even if you don't use it, your thing should work. So we have made our code, right? So if you want, I'm giving you some time, you can even take a screenshot so that you can know that what I have written. So you can take a screenshot here, and okay. So I believe you have taken the screenshot. So now let's see what our result is. So now you can see if I press my right mouse button, nothing is happening. But when I am pressing the left, I accidentally press the left mouse button. So left mouse button is responsible for tap, as I have shown that how you need to enable this. So now if you press, you will see that your model will work the same exact position where I want my character will go. So you can see, right? So this is the code how you can move player to the location you want. You have pressed on the screen, and right now I just showed in PC. So if you want, you can also test this in your mobile devices, and if you face any problem, feel free to comment me down so that I can help you to solve this. So that's it for this video, and hope you learned something. So that's it, and thank you.